Hello students, I am Subhashish. In our previous session, we have learnt about the substitution method and solving the pair of linear equations in two variables by using substitution method. In this session, we will learn about the elimination method procedure and examples that can be solved using elimination method. Let us recall some steps about graphical method. Graphical method. The graph of a pair of linear equations in two variables is represented by two lines. If the lines intersect at a point, then that point gives us the unique solution and the pair of equations is consistent. If the lines coincide, then there are infinitely many solutions, each point on the line being a solution and the pair of equations is dependent. If the lines are parallel, then the pair of equations has no solution and the pair of equations are inconsistent. Learning outcomes. After completion of this lesson, you will be able to apply the elimination method to solve systems of linear equation. Determine unique, infinite and no solution in systems. Transform nonlinear situations into linear equations for solving. Keywords: equations, elimination method, solutions, graphical method, algebraic method, dependent. Elimination method. Now, let us consider another method of eliminating, that is removing one variable. Elimination method is rarely more convenient than the substitution method. Let us see how this method works. Elimination method procedure. Step 1. Multiply both the equations by some suitable non-zero constants to make the coefficients of one variable, either x or y, numerically equal. Step 2. Then add or subtract one equation from the another so that one variable gets eliminated. If you get an equation in one variable, go to step 3. If in step 2 we obtain a true statement involving no variable, then the original pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. If in step 2 we obtain a false statement involving no variable, then the original pair of equations has no solution, that is, it is inconsistent. Step 3. Solve the equation in one variable x or y so obtain to get its value. Step 4. Substitute this value of x or y in either of the original equations to get the value of the other variable. Let us see some examples on elimination method by following the procedure. Example: use elimination method to find all possible solutions of the following pair of linear equations: x plus 4y equal to 8 and 4x minus y equal to 5. Solution given. Let us consider x plus 4y equal to 8 as equation 1 and 4x minus y is equal to 5 as equation 2. Step 1. Now multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 1 to make the coefficients of x equal. After multiplication, then we get the equations as 4x plus 16y equal to 32 and 4x minus y equal to 5. Step 2. Subtracting equation 4 from equation 3, we get by subtraction plus 4x and minus 4x will be cancelled. 16y plus y gives us to 17y and 32 minus 5 gives us 27. When moves to right hand side, it will be become 27 by 17. If we substitute this y value in equation 2, we get 4x minus y is equal to 5. Now substitute y value in the equation. 4x minus 27 by 17 is equal to 5. Four x is equal to 5 plus 27 by 17. When minus 27 by 17 moves to right hand side, it will become plus 27 by 17. When 4 multiplied by x moves to right hand side, then it will be become 112 by 17 into 4. When we cancel, the final answer will be 28 by 17. Therefore, the pair of equations has unique solutions, which is 28 by 17, 27 by 17. Let us see one more example. Example: the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 88. If the digits of the number differ by 4, find the number. How many such numbers are there? Solution: let us consider the two-digit number be x, y, where x is a number in tens place and y be the number in ones place. The first number can be written as 10x plus y in the expanded form. When the digits are reversed, x becomes the units digit and y becomes the tens digit. This number in the expanded notation is 10y plus x. From the given information from the problem, we can write as 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 88. When we add 10x plus x, we get 11x. When we add y plus 10y, we get 11y. Now take the common term 11 from x and y. Then we will get 11 into x plus y is equal to 88. When level from left hand side moves to right hand side, it will become 88 by 11. Then x plus y is equal to 8. It is also given that the difference between the digits is 4. So, we can write either x minus y is equal to 4 or y minus x is equal to 4. If x minus y is equal to 4, by solving equation 1, that is x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 4, by elimination method, x plus y is equal to 8, x minus y is equal to 4. Now add both the x and y terms. When we add both x terms, we get 2x, plus y and minus y will be getting cancelled. By adding 8 plus 4, we get 12. When 2 multiplied by x moves to right hand side, it will be like 12 by 2. By cancelling, we get x equal to 6. Got the x value as 6. Now substitute the x value in the equation 2 to get the y value. X minus y is equal to 4. Now substitute the x value, that is 6. 6 minus y is equal to 4. Six minus 4 is equal to y. By subtracting 6 minus 4, we get 2. So y equal to 2. In this case, we get the number as 62 because in the beginning we considered 2-digit number as x, y. So here we got the x and y value as 6 and 2 respectively. Similarly, if y minus x is equal to 4, then solving equation 1 and 3 by elimination method, we get x equal to 2 and y equal to 6. In this case, we get the number as 26 because in the beginning we considered 2-digit number as x, y. So here we got the x and y value as 2 and 6 respectively. Thus, there are two such numbers, 62 and 26. Verification. Here 62 plus 26 is equal to 88 and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Let us end this session by summarizing the points we have learned in pair of linear equations in two variables. Points to remember. A pair of linear equations in two variables can be solved by the graphical method and algebraic method. In algebraic method, a pair of linear equation in two variables can be solved by substitution method and elimination method. There are several situations which can be mathematically represented by two equations that are not linear to start with, but we alter them so that they are reduced to a pair of linear equations. The elimination method is used to solve a system of linear equations by eliminating one variable through addition or subtraction of the equations. The method works best for linear equations where the variables are raised to the first power and multiplied by constants. Thanks for watching.